Howdy, folks. So, you want to get into programming OpenGL, and you have a MacBook, maybe even an M1 MacBook, and you're just like, how do I do it? All these tutorials, they have like Windows or Linux or something like that. No worries. I got you today. So, yeah, we're going to use OpenGL with GLFW. Yeah, we're gonna just try to get a Hello World window up. And then maybe in the future I'll open up a video about using GLUD or GLAD or something like that to do some more things. But let's get started. No further ado. Okay, so we open up Xcode first. We open up Xcode, and then create a new Xcode project. It's gonna be a command line tool. What we're gonna name is Hello OpenGL. Good stuff. All that looks fine and dandy. Just gotta throw it in the documents. It doesn't matter where it goes. Sorry for like the mess of my file system. Oh well. So, first things first. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys the common pitfalls that you can fall into. Actually, no, I'm gonna do it right from the beginning. So you're gonna want to go to Build Settings. You're gonna want to go to Code Signing. And you're gonna go right here, delete this. If you don't do this, you'll see some error messages that tell you that there's some errors signing the code. And then we are gonna go. We now need some Hello World code. We can just go to GLFW, and let's go to documentation. Hey, look, there's code for a Hello World. Boom, boom. Copy this. Let's go here. Let's go to our main C. First, let's run this. Oh, look, Hello World, that works. Okay, will this work? No, because we don't have that GLFW header file. So how do we add that? Well, we're going to go install GLFW on our computer. So brew install GLFW. All right, let's see what we get. Just updating my homebrew. Good. Says we can't do it right now because we need like some interpreter or something like that. So all we have to do is type archarm64 and then the same command, brew install glfw, and then it should install it. All right, cool. It's in there. So you see this right here? This tells us where it is. Right here, and let's just copy that right there. That's where it is on your computer. If you don't know, now you know. All right, and now we're gonna put that header, like that error message we were getting before. We can't find it. We're gonna let it find it. We're just gonna add this, and then we're gonna do include. Boom. All right. Now, let's try to build it. Build still failed. I have 8 errors now. I just had 1 before. What's going on? GL clear. All this stuff, it's saying undefined symbol. That's because we need to also link the binary. Well, if we're going to link the binary, we're actually going to have to find out where that folder is on our desktop. Easy way to do it. Probably. I haven't done it like this before. Let's go. I want to go to my Finder. And just gotta go to folder, and then now we're just gonna go to library. We're just gonna take this, and we're gonna, let's just, what we want is like to go to library, and we want to get this right here, but that's gonna be a little. Sorry about this. Yeah, go over here. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna want to go to our build phases, and we want to link that binary to this whole thing. First, let's go ahead and get OpenGL in here because we need that. Now we need to get that other binary. We're gonna add files. So there's no Go in here. Can we just search it right here? That'd be sick. Nope. All right. So we're just going to go to our desktop. We're going to go untitled. We need to show our secret files. So we do like the command shift period. And then we go to opt, homebrew, and then Cella. And then we go to GLFW. And now we're back in the same spot. And now we can just select it. Look at that right there. Bam. Right there. Who's your daddy? All right, build succeeded. And now let's see if we run it. Will we get it? A hello world thing. Look at that. Amazing. You know what? At 5 minutes, I'm going to cut it here. Congratulations, folks.